Hello, today I'm in Mercedes C220. In this video I'll show you how to activate speed limiter. In the beginning, take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Firstly, press this lever and now push it downwards. Speed limiter is now activated. To increase the speed limit, push the lever upwards. To decrease it, push it downwards. To pause it, push it forward. To start it over, push it backwards, and to disable speed limiter, press the lever. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.